Milepost 108, shots fired. G64, I need assistance. Shots fired, Milepost 108.
Phone is still alive. Last call was a pacifier.
3G64, shots fired.
1113.
3G64, com check, shots fired. I'm hitting the arm. Milepost 108.
Com check 3G64.
3G64, shots fired. Milepost 108, town of Dwaynesburg. One black male, one white female. Fleeing west to eastbound.
Eastbound, shots fired, mile marker 108. Stage of a black male fleeing the scene there.
Affirmative, they just hijacked the vehicle. It's immobile because it was in a collision. It's a Ford pickup. Get down!
Ford pickup fleeing from the scene, hijacked vehicle. 3G64, are you secure?
Negative! Not in custody. I'm hitting the arm. Put your hands up!
14.
Put your hands up! Get out of the vehicle! Get out of the vehicle!
Com check 3G22, 3G23.
Get out of the vehicle!
15-9G13.
Put your hands up and get out of the vehicle! Now!
3G22, 3G23.
Get out of the vehicle!
3G22, I need to start I-88 eastbound, mile marker 108. I have a trooper involved shooting.
Be advised, they're still shooting. Put your hands up and get out of the vehicle!
2-2 and 2-3, believe I am still in an active situation. Shots still being fired.
Get out of the vehicle! Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Shots fired.
Put your hands up and get out of the vehicle! Put your hands up!
No further. The caller stated that he got into an accident on 88 and somebody shot at it.
We're excited. Any assistance or anything?
We're going to contact.
3G64, Square, I need assistance. Shots fired. Milepost 108. It's going to be the town of Dwaynesburg.
any available?
Put your hands up!
88, Dwaynesburg.
Copy. 172, Gary, copy en route.
Put your hands up!
Crazy.
Primary gauges. Flat 151.
Crazy.
Put your hands up and get out of the vehicle!
71.
71.
Oh. 6-4 Scary, be advised I'm hitting the left arm. Put your hands up!
CSV to 641118.
For DOT and also the way.
I can know, feature 64 is the wall, the face just got hit the right arm.
3G64, all eastbound traffic is stopped due to a collision. I have the suspects hold down in a vehicle they tried to obtain from the collision, and it's immobile. They're inside actively shooting. Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Thank you, 401.
Put your hands up! 3G64 ComSec.
Check 3G64.
The shooter is on foot, fleeing into the wood line, south of I-88. Gonna need aviation and a canine. Put your hands up! Stand up!
South of I-88 at 1119.
He's gonna be wearing, I believe, jean shorts or running shorts and a black hoodie. He's armed with a silver handgun.
He's wearing running shorts and a black hoodie, silver handgun at 1120. SP ComSec, units en route to I-88, eastbound, mile marker 108. For Trooper Albert,
Turn around!
gunman has fled the scene on foot, southbound the interstate to the wood line. Describing as a black male, wearing running shorts, a black hoodie, armed with a silver handgun.
.6-4 ComSec. Do I got anybody else coming or what?
Boy, that's affirmative. You have multiple units en route to you.
Be advised, I am shot in the right arm. Correction, left arm.
Trooper Albert is shot in the arm. The update is the suspect is a black male wearing running shorts and a black hoodie. Fled southbound of the interstate into the wood line. Is armed with a silver handgun.
Where'd your partner go?
ComSec 3G64, are you able to apply the tourniquet to your arm?
I'll attempt to. I got one in custody right now. Driver still fled.
One of the suspects is in custody at 1121. SP ComSec 5G320.
Keep your hands up. Put them on top of your head if you have to. If you put them down, you will get shot.
5G320, update from last. One suspect is in custody. The driver is armed with a handgun. Fled the scene southbound from the interstate into the wood line.
Body 1 suspect in custody.
2-1-2, out. 3G21, you're out at 1122. Advise when seen secure for EMS.
I don't know where he went. He went. Black male went up and over. I think it's too high for a tourniquet.
Black males up and over?
Black male Black hoodie.
6-5.
Get your rifle. Get your rifle. I think it's too high, man. I don't know. That fucking tractor trailer rear-ended this pickup.
She was walking southbound in at mile marker 108.
We're gonna fucking try. Alright? Ready?
36-4, Stacy's been shot in the arm. He's trying to apply a tourniquet at this time. We got that one suspect in custody. One has fled the scene in his arm.
Oh, man. They didn't fucking lie when they said it hurt.
That's all units responding once again.
Tight, bro.
That's tight, dude.
Eastbound, mile marker 108 is the scene. One suspect fled the scene. Southbound from the interstate.
Hey, let him know tourniquet's on.
Described as a black male wearing a black hoodie and running shorts. His arm is a silver handgun.
I think I hit him. I don't know. I saw him drop like 3 times.
Mill Road, LS 3415.
Which way did he go?
He went
5G, 324.
that sage bush. He went straight up and then into the woods that way. Yeah.
Unseen, advise when secure for EMS. They are staging. Once being employed.
I'm gonna go back to the cars.
Yeah, go. Go, you bud. Come on, buddy. You got the tourniquet on. Yeah. Go on. Okay. Okay. Here, buddy.
You got a tourniquet on, buddy?
Get this fucking seat up.
I'm good.
And units are 988 and responding. Head to the area to the evidence contact. The area is
All right.
He's good. I got him.
Black male, black hoodie, shorts. He ran literally straight in from where she is. He went straight that way.
Straight in where she
I don't
is.
know if I hit him or not, but he dropped like 3 times.
You got it. Yeah. Black male, black hoodie, directly in the south of Woodline where the female is currently standing.
You're good.
Respond to exit 24. Exit 24, they'll meet you there.
Slide in. We're gonna fucking
Get him in the car and go. Yep. You're with them. You're with them. Stay with them. Okay.
Here, I got it. We're good. You stay here. We're good. Yeah, we're good.
My car's down there unsecured.
Doesn't care.
Where do they
Big radio.
I already got
Dude, you're not going to be able to get back if you're going to Ellis.
Where's the next? Yeah. What car are you in? 3G22. 3G22.
330.
Alright, Rick. Stay calm. 3G22 ComSec. This is Shield 3, 4, and 5. 5G 324. We are en route with Trooper Albert back to exit. We already got a relay point set up. Be advised.
3240 on scene at
En
1125.
route back to exit 24 with the catch team.
Fucking tourniquet's hurting more than a gunshot.
I'm here through. I see it. Exit 24, you said, right?
Yeah.
Okay, police, I copy. You're headed to the point, exit 24.
Correct. Have EMS there.
All right, so the silver Honda Pilot was what they were driving. And they pulled over and started shooting. And somebody else stopped. And then a pickup truck stopped because he saw a
There's something there, helicopter in the air, yeah.
trailer rear-ended the pickup. And then the pickup went down the road and they hijacked it from that fucking, the owner. Pulled him out of it.
33091 one in custody, 1126.
Pulled him out of it.
Okay, all right.
And then it was immobile.
Guys, Super Albert on board, headed to 24, paramedics, tourniquet applied.